Yeah, g'day guys, it's me again. Happy Australia Day, mate. I'm enjoying Australia Day, thinking about the barbie, have some snags on the barbie, sitting in my jocks and my tongs have stubbed in my hands, mate, with all my mates, Steve-O, Jono, Smitho, Starkey, Warney, Chrissy, all these blokes are the legends, mate. They're really nice guys. These lads are incredible. One of them is a Chippy, other is a Breaky, and then we have the Chalky, then we got Sparky, all these guys, they're incredible people, mate. None of them is a dodgy as two bob watch, and I myself, I sort of enjoy having a bit of a browse in my pocket, mate, and see all my mates, one of the guy that who works around the corner to Mecca next to the servo, he runs a boat low. And this guy is quite iffy, but it's not my problem if he is. I sort of have the most of my time and enjoy my time. He might think that I got some, loose kangaroos, on my upper paddock, but that's his problem. I don't really give a damn about it. You got a bit of a juice in your stomach, you got a bit of a tucker, and some brass in your pocket, mate. And then you're a champion. Since